Hi guys. This case is about Domino's Pizza. Harvard Case Solution and Analysis. Domino's Pizza is the second largest pizza company, with 9,436 stores worldwide, 95% of which are franchised. Domino franchisees in the U.S. market could buy fresh pasta, cheese, pizza, and other ingredients, the menu, and shop supplies directly from a company-owned system of the supply chain. When commodity prices are more volatile in 2007 and 2008, executives at Domino changed the way they work with suppliers and franchisees to manage costs and risks, as well as more efficient use of assets of the supply chain. As the company is ready to accelerate international growth in 2011 and beyond, the leaders provided the best way to apply their knowledge purchasing and supply chain in international markets. For more details you can visit www.TheCaseSolutions.com. Thanks for watching this video.